everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make a bow in Blender. This is an example of what we're going to make in this video. So first, add a bezier curve. And make a circle. Select these two vertices, F on the keyboard to fill and connect them. Then set the transform pivot points to individual origins. Add a modifier of mirror, merge, set it to 0.01. Scale down this vertex and set it to 0. Median point and scale these two vertices on the y-axis. Scale down this vertex. Then extrude this vertex V and set it to vector. Now, go to Object Data Properties, Geometry, Bevel, give it some depth, and extrude. Then select all of the vertices, Ctrl T to twist, tilt, now you can rotate it and add a path. In edit mode, rotate it by -90 degrees. Along the y-axis, move it to the center of the bow. Select the bow object, then select this vertex, zero. After you've pressed the Alt and S keys on the keyboard, you set the radius of it to 0. Give this curve object some depth. Select these vertices, Alt S, 0. Then these two, Alt S, 0. Extrude it. And tilt it. And for the material, add a new material, so the base color to yellow, and metallic to 1. Then assign the same material to this object, and this is it. Just that you can select this object and shift select this one, Control P, object keep transform. And this is it. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.